I'm Danielle Van Leer. I am from Los Angeles, California. I am in the Innovation, Technology, and the Law LLM program, and I've been a practicing lawyer for almost 20 years, so it was a chance to go back to school and learn something new. So I chose this program because it was in line with the work I currently do in the US. I do a lot of intellectual property and a lot of information technology and privacy work. So this LLM and innovation technology in the law dovetailed very conveniently with that, and it gave me a chance to learn a more global, particularly UK and EU-based focus on it. I really enjoyed the program. It was very much a chance to, as I mentioned, delve deeper into areas that I already had a professional and personal interest in. A number of topics that when I went to law school were not covered in law school, some of which didn't even exist back then. And you know, honestly, as I was mentioning to some people, if I could have taken maybe 2 more modules, I would have actually enjoyed it more because there were so many great classes to choose from. Time management isn't my strongest suit, so I did like that the program did have structure to it. There were structured deadlines, you know, each week, so that kind of helped me manage my time better than some other online programs, which are really just free form. So it kind of maintained that academic rigor. My employer is very supportive of continuing education, and actually my boss wrote my recommendation letter. So they were very supportive of me having the time I needed when I needed it to also engage in my studies. It actually has paid immediate dividends for me. My dissertation topic was on a very timely topic on deep fakes, which are AI-driven pornography and other videos. And I've already had several speaking opportunities. I'm writing an article related to the topic and a number of blog posts for one of the law schools that I teach at in the US. And in fact, on this trip, I have 2 speaking opportunities in London related to the topic. So for me, the combination of my existing expertise and my professional background plus the topics I've studied and the work I did for my dissertation has already literally paid dividends for me. Even the other students have been very interesting to talk to and get to know, people from literally all around the world, and I really enjoyed having that experience. It's very different than studying you know, in person at a university where the majority of the people are going to be your cohorts from your own country. It just really added a very interesting international dimension to the program. And, you know, I would do it again.